FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
We're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
What's good, everybody? We are back. Welcome back to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks, and we are live trading London session. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are back, baby. All right, TikTok, I'm gonna go ahead and move this out the way so you guys can see the chart. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Look at this meltdown on GJ. Wild, 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 wild. Came to the double bottom. Crazy, crazy stuff. Gonna go ahead and delete everything off the charts. You know how we do, clean charts. No indicators, straight price action. No foo-foo. Top-down analysis, looking at the monthly. We see here, current month, we got about 2 days and 16 hours left. It is currently bullish. We've been on a bullish trend here, creating new highs and new highs, potentially moving up to test this resistance, 70.588 month. Probably not going to get there in this monthly candle unless we have some major news coming in. Don't think we do. Currently for the news, we're good till New York session around 7:30. But on GJ, moving down to the weekly, what we see here is the current week. It is bearish. It is bearish. It looks like it's already created its level of resistance here. We have equal highs right here. Currently moving downwards. Bearish movement. Hasn't broken the previous week's low, but just basically right at there. It actually has broken just a bit. So it could be retracing at this point, moving to the downside. Let's look to see what the daily looks like. The daily here, previous daily candle is bearish engulfing all these candles here. Came and broke this previous low. Current daily candle, it is slightly bullish. Wick to the downside, wick to the upside. Hasn't really moved much. Small volume on that, but we had some massive bearish movement here. We do have this level here of support where it looks like it came down to test, and it's sitting just right on top of it. Right? So could be holding that level of support and then continuing to the upside. It would really depend on how this candle closes. Let's move to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're going to go ahead and establish our tops and bottoms. It's what I refer to them as. They're referred to as many different things. Tops and bottoms, supply and demand, support and resistance, key levels, areas of interest. At the end of the day, what we're looking for is multiple areas, price reaction directly above and below current price. Current price is right here. What I'm looking for is areas where price has multiple reactions. Okay, directly above and below. Above and below. Then what I do is I move down to the 1 hour just to refine it just a bit to make sure I'm actually capturing those areas that I'm focused on. Getting areas that I'm focusing. Seeing multiple price reaction. Holding, reversing. Then we move down to the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, we're going to go ahead and establish our range or breakout range. We're looking for area consolidation with clean price action to the left. See clear direction to one direction. So here's a break right here, but range right here is not sufficient enough. It's sufficient enough for us, so we're gonna go ahead and move it up. Move it up just a tad right there. We see this area here. Breaking above here, we have this nice little range. About 55 pips. Definitely worth look at. Now breaking to the downside. This right here. Then measuring this break here. This next level support, about 17 pips. It is just about within our range. It's reasonable. So I'll go ahead and leave this here, but we're going to play it by ear. Once we get the candle breaking down to the downside, we're going to read that price action and see if it's actually worth it for us. If not, we'll continue to move it down to the next level without concern. Keep it moving. Really think we got a better upside. See how this thing working out. So we'll go ahead and set alerts here. Setting alerts. Once the bar closes on the 15-minute. Potential buy, potential buy. The bar and closes for potential sell. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and label this out for you guys, and I'm adding my link if you guys are looking for any of my links, free or paid services. You guys can find it there. Only link you can find. Please do not get scammed. Go ahead, copy that, send that out to the Telegram. Free Telegram link is in the bio, and link is on the screen. That's for GJ. Now let's go ahead and take a look at gold. Gold, this was the trade from yesterday. Like here we took a trade, came back down on us, closing out on stops, moved down to the downside, created the double bottom, and then pushed up. So go ahead and remove all that. Clean charts, no indicators, straight price action, top down analysis, no foo. Looking at the monthly chart, we see the current candle, it is bullish. Previous candle was bullish, broke out of this, bullish engulfing. We have a small wick to the downside, a wick to the upside, already breaking the previous month's high, looking to reach out to this. See, it is currently bullish, moving to the upside. Nice little support there on the monthly. Moving down to the weekly, we see previous week was bearish. Previous week before that, we had a doji bearish candle. So then we get the movement to the downside, confirming a bearish candle. So this may just be the top wick here. It hasn't broken the previous week's candle high. So then maybe we start moving down to the downside now. We do have a bottom wick here, has not broken the previous week's low. So maybe we start reaching for that 1960. Looking at the daily, yesterday's daily candle was bullish, but it failed to break these previous highs. This little level of here. And it has not, it literally tapped that and rejected, put it down. We have the current daily candle bearish, wick to the upside, like it could be moving to the downside. We do have this little level of support. Areas to pay attention to right around 1982.72 and 2005. So let's go ahead and move down to the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, we would like to bottoms. Tops and bottoms is what I refer to them as. They are referred to many different things. Maybe you've heard of them as supply and demand, support and resistance, key levels, areas of interest, whatever you want to call them. At the end of the day, what we're looking for is price directly above and below current price, where we see multiple price reactions directly above and below where current is at. Keep it simple, guys. Complicate things. Remember, this is just a general area. It is not an exact price point. Keeping it moving. We go down to the 1 hour just to refine and make sure I'm capturing those points that I'm looking at where we're seeing multiple price reactions, multiple held or supported. We got that. And good. We move down to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute is where we establish our breakout range. Now, looking at price here, we want to look at areas of consolidation where we see below and above price breaking for a clean direction, one direction. We have here, we see price breaking to the downside. We have some nice clean price action to the left. We have clear one direction, and we measure that just to make sure that that is within reasonable range for us to take a potential trade. It's about 50 pips right there. Definitely doable, 100%. So then we move to measure the upside, and the next level of resistance is right here. We look at this right here, but the thing is from this level to this level is definitely not worth it. We can't take a trade. So then we move this bar up to the next level, and we look to the left and we see some nice clean price action this way. Looking at that, and we measure it about 25 pips. And I think for our strategy, breakout strategy, looking to capture 10, 15, 20 pips, 25 pips is fully with reason and able to, right? So we mark the next target level just in case, so we know where price could potentially go to. We mark our price level here to the downside, potential targets. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go set alerts on this once the price crosses up and the bar closes, because we do wait for that candlestick to actually close, give us a signal of a potential buy to the upside and a potential sell to the downside. We don't enter on impulse trades. Enter as soon as it's crossing. We're going to wait for the market to actually close above or below with the body of the candle giving us that indication, and that's part of one of our confluences or confirmation. Let us know that we can take a buy or a sell. I'm going to go ahead and label this chart. Everyone can see it is on the 15-minute chart. And I'm going to go ahead and add my link here. This is the only link where you can find all my free and paid services on this link there. And I'll go ahead and send this chart out. Free Telegram. Telegram is linked in that link on the screen. That is the gold chart. We have our alert set. And now at this point, what we do is we just be patient. We're just going to be patient. We're going to wait for price to come to us. We're going to wait for price to let us know which way price is going to be going. And then we react. We react and we take a trade. Okay. This is on tradingview.com. This is a charting platform. This is not where I take my trades. I execute on MetaTrader. This is just to be able to mark it up like I do. It has extensive number of tools to be able to do so, and I've been using it for many, many years. Thank you for that, sir. You're most welcome. Amazing, most welcome. Love the strategy. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. I know there's some new people here, so I just wanted to go ahead and explain that, how I do it, breaking it down step by step, what I do as the trade begins to play out and it actually triggers for me to enter. I will walk through and talk through what I do, what I'm looking for, how I'm going to jump in, when I'm in, how I'm going to manage it, the active management, when I'm in a trade, when I'm going to get out, partials, adjust stops, all that good stuff. So definitely stick around. Making trading look easy. Well done. I appreciate that. You know, I think that at the end of the day, trading is simple. It may not be easy, but it is simple. I think us as human beings, we overcomplicate it. We start adding indicators, we start adding confluences and fundamentals and all kinds of crazy things. And I think that's what makes it difficult. Not to say that, you know, indicators don't work or, you know, fundamentals don't work. That's not what I mean by that. I just mean my strategy, the way I trade, what I execute on. I try to keep things as simple as possible. Right? Not trying to overcomplicate things. You know, when I got started trading, guys, I heard about all the indicators, and you know, I had RSI, MACD, Ichimoku, fucking you name it. You know, Heiken Ashi, like all of the MAs, SMAs, EMAs, everything you can think of. But at the end of the day, what happened was I ended up having so many indicators on my chart that I could no longer see the candlesticks. I could no longer even see the price where it was going. And the indicators began to contradict each other. And what happened was I froze. As a trader, it's the worst place to be, is being frozen, being in a place where you can't take a trade. You can't take a buy or sell. You don't know which way to go. I had confirmations and confluences for buys. I had confirmations and confluences for sells. I didn't know what to do. Right? So what I decided was I'm no longer going to do indicators. I'm going to clean it off my charts, delete everything off, and start from scratch and start reading price action, start learning how the candles move and focus on that aspect. And that is what literally has saved my trading career, got me to a point where I feel, okay, now I can actually trade, right? And I've been using that method for the method you see now. I mean, I've been using it for the past, I don't know, 8 years, 9 years. I've been trading since 2014, and it took me a good 2 years to actually get to a point where I was consistent and profitable. I know some people do it a lot quicker, a lot faster, but yeah, it took me just about that time to really get into my own. Okay. Let's see here. Can you explain it? Yeah, so I just went through the whole analysis top down. Where do you take trades? I take trades on MetaTrader. Use TradingView 2 and TradeStation for execution. What about gold? Gold, we've already done gold and I've already sent it out. It's right here. Learning tons from you, bro. Appreciate it. Great job. Thank you. What about gold? Gold is right there. That's me now. Would 2 times my. It shouldn't be at that point where you're losing everything on a trade. I mean, if you are, you really need to look at your risk management and review your trading journal to see what kind of pattern you're, right? Hope he's feeling better today. 100% feeling better. Definitely. I feel like I just needed some rest. Love the strategy. Appreciate it. Amazing. Thank you. Morning. Your bar colors confused me for a moment. Yeah. These bar colors, I think it was like a year ago, my live community ended up choosing these colors. So, you know, it is what it is. I trade your exact strategy, although I start at my time. I think I am 7 hours ahead of you. Simple strategy that works. Well, appreciate it. And you've been in the game for a long. Yeah, I've been doing this for a while. Was popping, Lord? Was good. The education fast tracks the time for sure. 100%. 100%. I think that it's always good to, you know, be in a place where you can trust some information and then, you know, be able to absorb that and be able to learn from that and then make it your own, you know, because at the end of the day, I think that's the best way for a trader to become successful is once they understand that you have to take a strategy and make it your own in order for it to work best for you. And the reason I say that is because everyone is different from a personality perspective, and when you're trading, you know, emotions and trading psychology play a huge role. A lot of people don't understand that, and they don't think about that. What's better, MT4 or MT5? I'm using MT4 at the moment. You know, MT5 does have a lot more features that MT4 doesn't, but I don't know, I've found MT5 a little glitchy sometimes. So how's the dogs doing? Dog's doing good. Pablo, he's good, he's running around. What do you think of patterns? I 100% believe in patterns. I do pattern trading. Those are some of the trades that I send out to my VIP. Those end up being intraday and swing trading type, but 100% I go off of patterns. Do you ever trade options? I do not. Better off buying calls on SPY tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, you go ahead, brother. Do what you do. If that makes you money, I'm gonna keep doing what I do. You know, it is what it is. Use the same strategy for New York session? I do not. I use a very specific US 30 1-minute scalp trend line break strategy. It's a strategy that I've created, that I curated. That's what I use on New York session. But you could use this breakout strategy in the New York session if you're focusing like on currencies or even gold. But because during New York session I focus on US 30, I don't trade this strategy on it. What do you think about being bullish on yen crosses right now, specifically NZD JPY and USD? You know, I treat every pair like individually. I don't like to reference any pairs as far as correlation, because even though there can be some correlation, I'm not saying there isn't. There can be some correlation. Not all the time is it going to be that. And sometimes when you stick in your head that there's a correlation, you start looking at a pair and you say, oh, because this one is going one way, the other one has to go the other way. It has to. Understand one thing, the market never has to do anything. And every time you think that the market has to do something is the moment where you are on the precipice of blowing your account, because you are so convinced that the market has to do something that you don't understand, like the market has enough liquidity and volume to take out your account from underneath you, or you even can react, and you're so convinced that it has to do something that you either over leverage, go in, or over trade, or marry a trade, or chase a trade, or whatever the case may be. You break all the rules just because you think it has to do something, and then you end up in a position where you regret it. You know, you start feeling like, oh, I didn't follow my rules, I didn't do what I do, and blah blah blah, and you end up screwing yourself. I think that's the worst place to be. Have you looked at the big long time frames like monthlies and weeklies and really panned out yet? Yeah, so I look at those more when I'm focused on intraday or swing trading. When I do this strategy, I do a top-down analysis from monthly, weekly, daily, and 4-hour. But for the higher time frames, I'm more paying attention to those when I'm doing intraday, and those usually are like trades that I send out. That's me so convinced it's I've been using 3 and 5 minutes, now starting to use 1 minute. I needed to hear you say 1 minute. That's why we have to have stops above or below trend lines. Yeah, that's not always. I mean, if it's working for you, dude, I don't want to sway anybody from anything that's working for them. But I know what I do, and I know how I do, and like, I'm gonna keep doing what I do. You can ask me what I do and I can tell you, but I don't want you to feel like you're doing something, and if it's working for you, I don't want you to feel like I'm telling you it's not gonna work for you. because that's not the way. You know, in trading, there's a million different ways to slice a pie. There's a million different ways to make some money, right? I could be buying something, you could be selling it. We could both make profit at the end of the day. You know. Do you use a broker whose API charts are in TradingView? No, I do not. It makes more sense to go with the trend and wave versus against it. I'll tell you this: if you're trading, you know, intraday or swing trade, 100% you should probably be going with the trend. If I'm scalping, I'm okay going against the trend because there's always pullbacks, right? But if I catch a trade in a scalp that's with the trend and it's a scalp, man, that might be a really nice trade because not only are my stops going to be small, the trend is in my favor and it could run for quite a bit. Do you train people on how to trade and how much? I do have a free mini course on intro to trading. You can check out the link on the screen, and I also have a course on there. In the lives, I'm always providing free education, free nuggets, answering all your questions. What's the price of that first line of resistance? From here, this price right here, we're looking at 2001.709. But remember, guys, that's the price. Well, actually, the line itself is 2001.687. That's the price that is on here based on this broker. Remember, your broker may have a slight variance and it might be a little different. I wouldn't take that to be exact. What I would be focused on is look at on the 15-minute chart on your broker, look at the pattern here and see where price is at, and look at to see where you see that level, right? The break is at 1999.096. Agreed. If you really know what you're doing, yeah, 100%. I go both ways. Intraday with trend is longer targets. 100%. 100%. I think that the safest way to go is with trends, but no, if you're doing that, you're probably going to be holding on to it a lot longer than what I'm doing here live with you guys. You understand, the live session, I'm in here to jump into a trade, like set up a trade, do my analysis, have it actually trigger me, execute the trade, actively manage it, and then get out of the trade. Like that whole amount of time for a live session, it's a short span. It's a scalp trade. Like I have to be able to manage all that within this live session. So it's not necessarily going to be, it's not always going to be with the trend or against the trend or vice versa. Like at the end of the day, I'm taking it based off of my strategy, and it's going to be within the live session that I'm in and out, right? BOJ this evening stated that they needed to be cautious on further tightening for next 1.5 years. Stated inflation has already shown signs of easing. This could support the rollover interest carried trades for the next year. Yeah, I don't really don't deal with fundamentals, man. You know, because one thing I've learned every time I try to get a grasp on fundamentals, there's a lot of manipulation. You know, positive data crashes currencies and commodities at times, and vice versa. It's very, very difficult to understand and get a read on that. And so for me, I just avoid news altogether, and I don't like to deal with fundamentals. I'm straight technical analysis, straight looking at price action, letting price do its thing, and then me just reacting to that. So that's my take on that. But I mean, if you do and it works for you, like, awesome, keep doing what you're doing. For US 30, do you trade at the open? Yeah, so what I do is I set up my chart. I mark up my chart maybe about 5-10 minutes before NYSE open, not at New York open, at NYSE open, and then I wait for NYSE to open, and then I wait for price to do its thing. Once it's set up in my favor or one of my parameters, like once it triggers one of my parameters, Great questions today, guys. Great questions. Media and geopolitics are there just to justify price action? I don't know if that's a statement or a question, but I don't know what you mean by that. You are assuming literally no news, pure technical, started 2014, options though. Nice. Yeah, no, I started actually in stocks, and then I moved over into currency, and then commodities caught my attention because of the volatility and the volume, and then indices really kind of put the cherry on top for me. If I told you where price is going, would you believe me? 100% not. You know, I don't think that our job as traders is to predict price. I think our job as traders is to react to price. I think that if you or anyone else is predicting price, you know, you got a 50% chance, right? Even a broken watch is right twice a day. So, you know, if you're right, awesome. But what is, you know, the track record of being right, predicting that price? I don't think that is feasible. How long you've been trading? I've been trading since 2014. You're right. Emotions tied to predictions are extremely dangerous. 100%. You know how many times you convince yourself of certain things? Like just think about anything that you might have come across in your life, just in general, not even in trading, just in general, of that may seem daunting or difficult or uncomfortable, but yet you had to do it. So you revisit it in your mind over and over and over until it gets to the point that you feel comfortable taking and feel comfortable enough to say you can justify that action. That's your emotions and your psychology making sense of a situation. Okay, so the same thing happens in trading. Whenever you're looking at a chart, if you're coming into the chart and you're like, man, I really need to make this money. I gotta make rent. I gotta pay my car note. I gotta pay this bill. I gotta feed my family. Whatever the case may be, how difficult the situation may be, it doesn't matter. When you come in with that like preconception, like understand your emotions and your psychology is going to look at the charts and find something to connect to find you a potential opportunity, right? Because that's how the mind works. It's working for you, right? So in your mind, you need this. You're desperate for it, right? So when your mind does that, it begins to point out to you things on the chart that may not even exist, right? And when you come in that way, desperate for a trade, desperate for a win, trying to make money, you end up putting yourself in a position where you see things on the chart that actually don't exist, and that can cause more losses. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. That's why we have to learn to celebrate our stop losses when they're hit. 100%. You know, the way I do things is I'm like no emotion, win or lose. Like I'm just coming in to do a job, right? I'm not sitting here like, you know, the super happiest when I win, and I'm not sitting here, oh, like super sad when I lose. I'm just coming in to do a job, whether it hits stops or it hits my take profits, right? I'm coming in to do what I said I was going to do. I'm coming in to follow a strategy, follow my rules, be disciplined, and just execute. That's it. Hey, I've been flipping small accounts from 500 to 100,000 plus in a day. Life's been so crazy, man. Everything happened so fast because I needed to help my family. Yeah, I mean, congrats if that's true, but that's very, very difficult to do. I've definitely flipped accounts, but flipping an account is not a sustainable way of trading. You're definitely going to run the risk of horrible risk management to be able to do that kind of trading, especially depending on what the time frame is that you're able to. It's all mindset and understanding how significant it is to enter trades and preservation when trades don't make sense, and generally sell gold with 10 question marks. Dude, do whatever you want to do, bro. Can someone do trading to end a living? I mean, to make a living? I mean, I trade for a living. So I 100% believe it's possible. Just looked at that dude's account. No way he has flipping accounts. Sell gold with another 10 question marks. Bro, you can do whatever you want to do. Like, I'm not in an active trade. If you're asking me if I'm gonna buy or sell, then you're probably new here. You don't know what we're doing. I'm waiting for market to tell me what to do, and you know, that's all I can tell you. When I get into a trade, you'll know, and I'll tell you, and I'll mark it out. I'll give you my entry, my stops, my take profit levels, everything. So if you're coming in just yelling out sell gold with the 10 question marks, that's lazy, bro. Super lazy. Like, come in, learn something. Ever had variance between trading view chart and broker price? 100%. That's why I tell you guys, like, don't focus so much on the actual price of where I'm putting. Focus on the candle, where it is to the previous candle, like on the chart, like, and look at your chart on the same time frame to find where that area is, and then go off of your price. Because if you go off of my price here on the chart, like, understand it's not going to be the same. It's not, because there's variances. Do you give one-on-one mentorship? I used to have open scheduling for one-on-one mentorship, where it was like an hour or 30 minutes, and you could purchase whatever time I had available, but I haven't opened it up. I'm probably going to open it up next month. This guy will show you everything. Awesome. You trading at 11 p.m. I don't know, it's 11 p.m. maybe your time, but my time it's 12:57. I know that London opens in about an hour and 3 minutes, but my specific strategy, I trade hour before London open and an hour afterwards, specifically leveraging pre-market and market open. Right on time, baby. Any book recommendations? I have two. I only read 2 books in my entire time trying scaling up and building my skill sets to learn trading. And my 2 books are, number 1, Naked Forex by Walter Peters, and number 2, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Those 2 books are the only books I recommend, the only books I've read. Really, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas is probably giving me the most amount of help, like the biggest amount of, like, I guess, benefit in my trading career, because, and it has nothing to do with trading itself. It is 100% about psychology, about the way you view things, about how that plays a role into your trading. Some of those TikTok questions are too funny. Yeah, they get a little intense. Let's see here. Also, if you have a break of resistance to the upside, but it closes above resistance as a bearish pin bar, do you hold off, or do you stick to strategy and believe that the wick would get engulfed? I read the price action. Depending, if it closes like right on the bar, then I probably won't enter. But if it's breaking above and it's a pin bar, then usually we'll get a wick fill, and maybe not an engulf, but like a wick fill. So I will consider it. I became a pro when I stopped having price direction expectation, pure technical. 100%. Is that a buy or sell? It's nothing. We're waiting for the market to tell us if it's a buy or sell. We are just waiting right now, being patient. Morning. This is GJ. This is gold. Waiting for a setup. Daniel says it's a buy. So everybody go buy and then tell Daniel if it works out. Yo, Banks, thanks for the help every day. Just wondering, do you have a lifetime price on your VIP? I had a promo that was going on for lifetime VIP, but I think all the spots are filled already. So right now it's just a monthly. I probably won't have another promo for, I don't know, maybe a couple of months. I open it up every now and then, like if I get enough people asking me, but I just had it open like last week, and people took advantage of it. That I don't have any spots available for lifetime. The last 1 hour candle on gold looks like a sell. Well, then you should sell, bro. I mean, I'm not executing on the 1 hour because I'm scalping this. So right now I'm just waiting for my confirmation for a buy or a sell. Hey, it'll be a few more pips from your stream and I'm going to be your next VIP member. Open it again. Nice. Yeah, if we get 2 other people ask, then I'll go ahead and open up the lifetime promo for another 5 people. Expectation, that's another thing, guys. Like, you know, like it's very difficult to go into trading and trying to expect price to do one thing or the other. Just because it's a double top, just because it's engulfing, just because the current trend is to the upside, the market will, I guarantee you guys, the market will humble you super quick. It will tell you, you know, just because you think one thing is going to happen, it does not have to happen. Trust me, 100%. I've been there. I've blown accounts because of that. Because I'm predicting reversal. This is all-time highs. Oh, it's been going up. Oh, the news says this. It has to come down. It's negative. It has to do this. It hit a double bottom, a triple bottom. It does not matter. The market does not give a flying fuck, man. I'm telling you. The market is going to do what the market is going to do. Okay? All we can do as traders is react to what the market is doing. That's it. We just have to wait. Why do you think people wait for confirmations or confluences, right? Like, you have to wait for the market to tell us what to do. We can't try to predict price. We can't try to, our job should never be to catch the whole move. Like, for example, you see this move on gold right here, this move to the upside. Your goal should never be to be like, oh, I want to catch it right here, and I want my stops to be super tight, and I want to catch this whole move. That should never be the goal. Never be the goal. The goal should be, you know what? I want to catch this middle here. I want to have my stops, and I'm just looking to catch this move right here. Boom. Taking it and be happy. You don't catch the whole move, but you make money. That's how you make money. Like, people are so greedy that they want to catch the whole move that they end up losing out, right? What about the last candle on the 4.5 hour chart? Yeah, y'all are playing around now. Market will go up or down 100%. Actually, technically, the market will go up and down. I do see a head and shoulders pattern. GBP JPY. This is gold. This is GBP JPY. Right now in GJ, I know there's like a somewhat of a breakout right here. Oh, but you know what? Oh. Here, when That's about a 15 pip target, but look at this for some reason. To 1. We got about 8 minutes and 40 seconds left. It could be a break right here. Break of this. Looking to basically fill this wick. Move to this next 15 pip gain. %. And be like I'd probably put at least a 10. See? Go watch it. If it does, I wouldn't mind taking it. Check the mic, Lord. Anybody having issues with my mic? Don't forget to check the moon cycle. That's funny. Move down from there. Okay, yeah, we are trading live. I'm not in a trade right now. I'm waiting for a setup. Got about 7 minutes and 10 seconds left on this current candle. If this candle breaks above, then I will consider taking a buy. But it looks like it's pushed down a bit. We'll see. Good morning. Good morning. Your sound is good today for a change. Nice. Yeah, let's not jinx anything. I will be taking out. I'm not even in a trade, bro. This is London session. Right now we're in pre-market. Pre-market open. Pre-market open. My strategy leverages pre-market open and market open volume. I'm not buying. I'm not in anything. I haven't jumped into a trade. I was just trying to measure out the potential. That's it. Just trying to measure out the potential. Ain't no buys, ain't nothing going on. Running like you did something bad. Dude. Be making a mess. Thanks for liquidity. You're most welcome, brother. You're most welcome. How much money have you made from trading? Oh, more than enough, brother. More than enough. I've been trading for 9 years, guys. I don't know the entire amount that I've made. It's definitely been well worth it. Made up for all my losses the first 2 years. Got about 4.5 minutes left here. I'm another one for the VIP promo request. There we go. One more. If we get one more, I'll open it up. Lord, I didn't see you for a long time. You are very fit right now. Good job, bro. Appreciate it. Do you put your stops in roughly by eye or set a number of pips below or above previous candle? So for the breakout strategy, it's always below the or above the previous candle wick. But when we have like a small tight stop like this, I always like to give it, you know, like 10-15 pips. I might increase it just a bit just because I don't like it too tight, especially with brokers. Like, you're gonna have a spread and all that good stuff, you know. Yeah, London session is at 2 a.m. Central Standard Time. That's the time it opens. 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 8 a.m. London time. 3.5 minutes, guys. 3.5 minutes. Might have buy coming in. Yeah, I'd rather have it 10-15 pips total stop loss, because our target one is 15 pips, right? So I need at least 1-to-1. Right here, it's about 8 pips. So it's still bigger than 1-to-1. So it may be like 2-3 pips below at that point. What would I see? What would I like to see before an entry? Well, I would like to see it to be at least 1-to-1. Right there, that's probably my limit. Needs to not go higher than lower. Got about 2 minutes and 20 seconds. I trade on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time. Probably see a port candle. We'll wait for the 15-minute. We got about 1 minute and 30 seconds. It'll be about a 10 pips. 10 pip stop, guys. You're calculating risk. Got about a minute left. If it goes higher than that, then I'm not gonna get in because the first reward there. Thank you so much for answering all these questions. Of course, not gatekeep. People. At the end of the day, man, I'm just a trader trading. I don't mind answering any questions. Just doing what I would do regardless. Do it live because not only to showcase the skill, but also when I was trading, getting started, like, I would have loved to have a resource like what I'm doing, you know. And then too, it also keeps me on my toes and keeps me going. Like, I'm trading London session. Usually I'm by myself. We got about 2 seconds left here, guys. It's gonna be about a 10 pip stop. 10 pip stop on GJ. 10 pip stop on GJ. I'm gonna take a buy. Taking a buy on GJ. In. Doing about a 10 pip stop. Okay. We are in like blend. levels. 160. Are in a buy, guys. A buy on GJ. All right, we are in trade. Just gonna be patient, let it do its thing. Be moving into profits. Be patient, guys. Let it do its thing. It's on the screen, the take profit, and let me move it closer. You guys see it now? For GJ, guys, we are in a buy on GJ. In a buy on GJ. In a buy on GJ. Appreciate the love, guys. Thanks for sharing the stream. Thanks for the likes. Yo, what up, CJ? FX Bounty Hunter, hit the likes, people. 87 people watching. LB, check Discord ticket. You get time for it. Oh yes, I will. I will do that. We'll do that, guys. I just opened up the lifetime promo for 5 people. I'm sending out the link to the free Telegram. It's only gonna let 5 people in, guys. So whoever wants to take advantage of that, go get it. It is on and available now. Get that out. Some sick New York session yesterday though. Yeah, no, dude, I was still recovering. What's up, Banks? What up? While you're trading against me, I got CAD JPY sells. Are you? Well, this is GJ. GJ buys. The Telegram, guys, you can find it in this link tree on the screen. What's gold doing? Pushing up. Looking good. You look very was a cigar? Cigar was good. Yeah, I went to a cigar bar earlier. Had a nice little typical Tuesday. Went out, had a good time. You know. I'm now lifetime VIP. Nice. Congratulations. Welcome, brother. Welcome. We are in a buy right now on GJ. It is in profit. Moving up nicely. I'm still in a GJ buy from the New York session. Nice. Probably, what are you swinging it? Intraday in it. What do you get in the VIP US 30 strategy and recorded sessions and more? Yeah, so whenever you actually launch it, like, let me see if I can. Has the. When you launch the bot, it's going to tell you the VIP benefits. In VIP, you get all of my trades that I trade. So whenever I take a trade, I'm sending it out to VIP. You're going to get the entries and exits. You'll get the exclusive live trading, which is the US 30 New York session. And that's not every New York session, guys. I send out my schedule the week before or Sundays. The scalp trades, the intraday trades for that, swing trades, breakdown analysis, the chart markups, the reason for entries. And when I do those sessions, I'll record them on Zoom and then I'll upload them into the VIP Telegram. And then you also get the VIP chat. So you'll be, whenever you jump into the VIP Telegram, you get access to the VIP Telegram and to the chat. So you'll see both of them. Come on, baby, push. Oh, come on now. Go up to here's the top of this wick. I would really like to see the break of that. Got about 3.5 minutes left on this. Yeah, I think there's only 2 spots left for the lifetime VIP. Yep, people jumped in already. If you're looking for that, just you go onto this link, guys. You'll find it in there. If you go into this link in the free Telegram, I literally posted the direct link for time. I just opened it for like 5 people. People like opened it. I don't know if they signed up. I think only 3 people are signed up. Yeah, after that I'm not gonna have lifetime for a bit. I had a promo like for the last like 2 weeks. VIP, let's get it. Thanks, LB. You're welcome, brother. That yen basket is ripe for the dropping. Yeah, maybe. You know, but I think that it still has little room to push. You know, it's always where you think it's gonna go down or gonna go up that it goes against you just a little bit more before it actually does. And that's kind of what the basis of this strategy is. It requires an access code. Yeah, well, you have to purchase it or have an access code. I don't have any access codes though right now. Whenever I try to join your free Telegram, it says action can't be complete. Not sure why. That's weird. I don't know. A ton of people just joined my free Telegram. Literally like 25 people. I don't know. Maybe DM me and I can probably try to send you a direct link. You can DM me on Instagram. I don't look at the DMs on TikTok, guys. Like, there's so much. Jesus, there's so many people sending me messages. It's a lot. It's way too much. Like, there's no way I'm reading those. I think every time I go live, like, I get like 100 messages. And I started reading some of them, but Jesus Christ, like, there's like some of you guys just be sending me nonsense that doesn't make any sense. So I'm sorry. Maybe it made sense to you when you sent it to me, but it doesn't make sense to me. Like sending me like other videos or like other people's like I'm not gonna. I don't care. I don't care about other people's videos or whatnot. FYI, TLC is my other YouTube sub. I don't know what that means. It's an investment. So look, we did get a bullish doji, right? This could be indication of price reversal or price exhaustion, but we want to see is this current candle and see how this like plays out. If we start seeing it breaking highs, then that's a nice sign for us to continue holding. If it closes bearish, then we can probably consider you know, taking some kind of action. Right now we're in profits, right? So let's not freak out. Let's not take any inadvertent action just prematurely. Let's just let price do its thing. I mean, so far we're seeing it break highs here. And I'm telling you this, guys, because this is what you should be doing when you're in a trade and actively managing a trade, is you want to talk yourself through these things of why you're doing what you're doing, right? If you can't do that, you know, like I don't think that you need to get to a point where you can talk yourself through a trade and explain why you're doing what you're doing in order for you to get more and more comfortable and confident with your own skills, right? What's the weirdest message you got so far? Somebody messaged me that they were like, I think it was like, I mean, totally a scam, I'm sure, but something about like they're like some kind of like in some kind of trouble and they needed help for their mom or something like that, like, and they were like some kind of royalty somewhere in like some Africa place. I don't know. I was like, man, I'm like, I'm just a day trader, bro. Like, what you want me to do? I don't know. I'm sorry, bro, but I just day trade, man. Like, you want to save the world and shit? Fuck. Yeah, so we're up about 8 pips here, moving towards TP1. Guys, remember what we do at TP1. Don't get caught slipping. At TP1, what do we do, guys? Let the people know. Let the fam know. What are we doing at TP1? What are we doing at TP1, fam? Let them know. Let them know. TP1, we're taking partials and adjusting our stops to break even 100%. At TP1, the horns go off. That too. I got a drop coming for you guys. Keep you guys awake.
You're now tuning in to Lord Banks FS.
The only concern I have on this current candle, guys, is that there's no wick to the downside. Okay, so it's pushed up, man. Honestly, this thing was literally, I mean, it came up to this level already. And it was about 2 pips away, TP1. Hopefully I don't regret this and it pushes back up, but I would have, at that level, at that 2 pips, I probably would have taken partials already and adjusted my stops to break even, just because it's too close not to, you know. 2 pips is a spread. Hi, I'm from India. Welcome. What is your VIP group cost? I think there's 2 spots left in the lifetime. One-time fee, you're in life. Otherwise, you can purchase monthly. It is $150. Ooh, here we go. We're getting close, guys. We're like 2 pips away, guys, from TP1. I'm going to go ahead and take my partials, guys. I'm not going to play with this thing today. I'm not going to let it do that to me. So I'm taking my partials now. I know it hasn't hit, but it's too close for me to ignore it. Not take partials. Adjusting my stops to break even. This is a risk-free trade. You can see on the screen that I've already taken my partials. And we'll just go ahead and hold on to the remaining position for the runner. I've already gone ahead and taken my partials. We're up about 10 pips. It was literally 2 pips away. Look, it's pushing. It's pushing. Pushing. Don't get greedy, guys. You know. Yeah, I took like 90% of that trade. Yeah, I did. Took a big chunk. Sure did. Took those profits, put them in the pockets. Let's go. Ooh, she's still pushing up too. Look, she's about to hit TP1. Let's get the horns ready, baby. Let's go. Hit TP1. Keep running. Keep pushing. There we go. TP1 hit officially. Let's go, baby. One time for the people in the back. One more time for the haters. One more time for the people selling. Somebody in the chat told me thank you for the liquidity. No, thank you, brother. Let's go, baby. Nobody should be losing on this trade. Nobody should be losing on this trade. Everyone should be at break even, money in the bank, just like that. Just like that, baby. Let's go. Let's go. And she's still pushing. She's pushing for TP2. She's up 18 pips. Keep it running. Keep it running. I'll take the extra guys, the runner, man. That's what I like to call fun money, baby. That money I just have fun with. Fun money, baby. Ooh, gold's getting ready to break out too. That's a winner, man. That's a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Thanks for the signals, bro. Appreciate it. Do me a favor, guys. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, throw me a like. And if you made any money with me today, throw a W in the chat. I want to see who all made money with me today.
Welcome to the only profitable live stream from Forex Trading with Lord Banks FX.
You guys are trading live with Lord Banks, baby.
Live Forex Trading with Lord Banks FX.
We made money today. We made money today. Let's go, let's go. TP2 is at 166.413. Winners over here, baby. Winners over here. At this point, I just have a runner, guys. I just have a runner. Stops to break even. We're just letting it do its thing. That extra money, that runner, that's extra money. That's fun money. All right? We're risk free. So at this point, like, if we want to take another trade, we can. You know, if the setup is there, we can definitely do that. We can definitely do that. Just be careful because look, there's no wick to the downside. This is a huge impulse move. Didn't have any news going on. Gold is getting ready to break out. Might have another one. We might have another one, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the one that kind of tight, white, like a twiga. See, just give it a minute, let it do its thing. Made our money on GJ already. Feeling good, feeling great. She was beautiful, huh? She was beautiful, huh? Where's everybody that was selling? Everybody goes quiet, man. Let's party colors. You wild, bro. You wild, but I like your style, bro. I like your style. You're crazy. You're crazy. I have alerts on, guys, so if gold breaks and closes above, I have an alert. But the thing is if it does that right there, like the 1-to-1 is not there. Look at the wick is down here. Even if it closes on the line, I mean, it'd have to close like damn near close to. Like it wouldn't be worth me taking, because to the first target it would be less than 1. It's higher than right there, then it's not worth it. Take it. The truth, that's just what it is. They pulling back. It's fat wick. Fat wick. All my links are right here, guys, on the link tree. And it's working because there's people joining the free Telegram as we speak, and the VIP. Definitely. Oh, she pushing back up. Nice. Nice noise. Probably was just a pullback on the 5-minute. Two, one. Nice. Gold didn't break on this one. That's better because maybe this will be a smaller wick. See how it plays out. Got 15 minutes. Ooh, GJ running. Gold is moving. We watching it. Let's go. I love when a trade executes like quickly, you know, like even before London Open. Got 15 minutes before London Open, we already made our money. How about that? Voice problem, please check your mic low volume. Bro, nobody else has issues. It's fully up, turned up on all the platforms. Like I can see it. Maybe I'm just talking a little low. But I'm not gonna yell into this one. Imagine. Mic works good, bro. Appreciate it, yeah. Bro, I found you again. Welcome to the show. We already made profits. If you're just joining, you were late. Told you guys I'll be live at 12. Actually got on at like 12:15. So we used to be on YouTube late night trading. I mean, I'm still on YouTube, bro. I'm streaming right now on YouTube. Yeah, I'm just on TikTok now too. Ooh, TP2 incoming. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, I hadn't been on YouTube in a while because it had been like messing up like crazy, lagging and shutting down, crashing, all kinds of stuff. I'm thankful that it's been running smooth. So we back for now. Till they kick us off or ban us again or some shit. I don't know. Be wilding out sometimes, you know. Be wilding out sometimes. My volume 100%, but still slow. Voice is problem only in this stream. Other videos and streams have good volume. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Like, look at the chats. People are telling you that the mic is working good for them. How's it work good for them and not for you? I don't know. Time to see ear doctor. 670 in profit. Thanks, bro. Most welcome, brother. Most welcome. Enjoy them profits. Buy some big speakers. Y'all are wild, man. I don't know. I'm trying to speak closer to the mic, and I'll try to speak up, speak louder. Dude, I just entered our GJ position is dead on. I was in at 166.172. Nice. Nice. Good stuff. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, well, TikTok, the mic is different. They're talking about the mic on YouTube. I have Bluetooth speaker already attached. Damn. I don't know, bro. What do you want me to do? Like, you want to yell into the mic like this? Does this help at all? I don't even have any filters on. Like, I turn everything off, so it should be. I mean, should be loud and clear, man. I got a pretty decent mic. I got a Shure mic, so they assured me that this mic was top of the line. So this is my specific breakout strategy, guys. You know, we did top down analysis. We had a breakout range right here, waiting for the breakout of the candle. This candle broke out. We entered at the close of this candle, put our stops below the wicks, and then it just went flying. Beautiful, beautiful setup. He said, "Are you sure?" Yeah, sure. You gotta be a real one if you try live trading, bro. 100%, man. I think that, you know, I'm not gonna try to sit here and convince you guys to, hey, you know, follow me, join me, watch my lives, and trade with me, be a part of the community. That's not what I'm about. But at the end of the day, whoever you are following and checking out and, you know, thinking the world of, if they don't trade live at all with you, I would be skeptical. You know, I think if you can come on and do this live, which I have multiple times, and I mean, you can go back, look at my YouTubes are all on there, all the lives for years now. You can look at my TikTok. I've only been doing it for about a year. Look back to see the lives on there. You know, I come on here and do it live for you guys. So hopefully you guys can learn something, pick something up off of it. Even if you want to come on here to criticize and tell me how I'm so wrong and you're right and blah blah blah, come on to talk about your SMC methods and whatnot. Lord, tell us your opinion about prop firm match with your strategies. Prop firms, they weren't around when I got started. I'm self-funded, right? But it's not to say that prop firms aren't like good. I would say if you are consistent and profitable but have low capital, then do it, take it, pass the challenges, use your payouts to fund your own account, right? At the end of the day, you're doing all the work. I don't know why people are insistent on sharing percentages of their profits. Right? TP2 hit, baby. TP2 hit. Let's hear the horns one time. 2 times for the TP2. One more time for the haters. Let's go, let's go. Here's a live drop for you guys.
Live Forex Trading with Lord Banks, FX.
Yeah, so prop firms, like I said, if you are profitable and consistent and you have low capital, go for it. But like I said, I would use the capital to fund your own account. One more time for the lovers. One more time for the lovers. I got you, bro. One more time for the lovers. They want to hear the horns. This shit's gonna fly. Shit support and all the levels. Yeah, I love the price action to the left 100%. This is what we're looking at, guys, right here. Boom, 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 boom. She's lovely, man. She's lovely. My runner about to make 1,000. Nice, 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 nice. $300 profited today. Thank you, bro. You're most welcome. Most welcome. Do me a favor, guys. Drop a like, drop a sub, follow along. We're here all week long, London session, doing what we do best. Doing what we do best, baby. She's currently up about 25 pips. Looking lovely. Looking lovely. Appreciate the love, guys. Thanks for liking the stream. Thanks for sharing the stream. You guys are real ones. 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, guys. If you go look at my profile, the last video that I posted, in the description, you'll see my schedule for live sessions. I'm gonna do my best to be in a habit of posting a video like that every Sunday with my schedule. Because depending on the week, I have different days that I'll go live. Right. This week particularly, like I have to go to a wedding on Friday. So I'm not gonna be doing anything. Like I'm doing London's. I did London Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and New York I'm doing it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday I'm not doing any live sessions because I have to get ready and go to a wedding. I am streaming from Texas. I know you said country, but I'd rather claim Texas than... Damn, look at that rejection. Jesus. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 3 minutes and 40 seconds left on this candle. 3 minutes and 40 seconds left on the candle. Gold is pushing here. I mean, it hasn't broke. I created that bottom wick. That bottom wick is about a 20 pip stop if it breaks above here. So let's just wait and see what it does. It gives us an opportunity. We'll see. We'll see. Oh damn, I'm in Dallas. Yeah, I'm originally from Dallas, born and raised. Born and raised in Dallas. London about to open. London about to open in 3 minutes, 100%.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, that comes in every time somebody subscribes to the YouTube. But not every time, like sometimes I get subs and they don't. Ooh, she coming back, she coming back. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, I don't use any indicators. Any indicators. Straight price action, guys. Straight price action. What you see on the chart is marked up by me. I marked it up myself. If you are on here when I start the stream, you see I clear the charts, delete everything off, and I do top-down analysis. Monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Up almost 1%, 100%. That's awesome. But he didn't. What? Didn't book close. I don't know what you're talking about. Which app do you use? I mean, this is tradingview.com. What you're seeing on the screen. I execute on MetaTrader. Hopefully that answers it. Hey Lord, been to your website and have asked a few questions or reply. What is the lorem ipsum? Lorem ipsum is filler text in the place of information on the site. I don't know. I know there was like some issues with the site. They had to roll back versions to fix some stuff. So if you're seeing that, you're probably seeing an older version of it. But if you have questions, you can definitely go to on Discord and ask them, or DM me on Instagram. But yeah. Can't find you on Telegram. The links are here. If you go to this link on the screen, you can find the links to everything. If it's not working for you, I don't know what to tell you. There's literally people joining right now. I think I had another, what is that? 9, 4, 5, another 15 people just joined the free Telegram. And I think there's 2 spots left on the lifetime VIP promo that I opened 5 spots because there was like 5 people that asked. And that link to that is the lifetime promo is in the free Telegram. You can find it in there. I met an OG floor broker for the NYSC and he said price action is all he used. I think that's all you really need to use, bro. Ooh, look at this. We got a massive rejection doji. Let's see how this candle. If this candle closes bearish, this 15-minute candle, then I may consider closing. Unless it comes and breaks even on me. Then it'll close it for me. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Start seeing some movement here in gold. The upside. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, I don't know if gold's gonna give us a chance here. We'll see. We are at London Open. London Open with this candle 2 minutes ago. So let's see if we get that volume that we're looking for, right? I'll be right back, guys. Let's see. In VIP, how many trays do you send out on average per week? It depends really, because like the market, you know, some weeks is better than others. But usually anywhere like 3 to 5 trades. Most of these are going to be intraday and swing trades. The reason they're intraday and swing trades, and those are apart from the ones when I do live sessions, like 3 to 5 trades that I send out outside of the live. The live, when we do live, usually we take 1 trade and we're done for indices. But I do intraday and swing trades on VIP because like I want to give you guys time to actually be able to enter. So in the VIP, like I'll send out a message like incoming trade. That way you get an alert knowing that, hey, a trade is coming, and then I'll send out if it's like a quick entry that I'm ready to enter now, I'll say, you know, buy so and so or sell so and so with so many pips stop loss, and then after that I'll send out the entry price, the stop loss price, the TP levels, and the risk to reward, and then I'll tell you my reason for entering, and I'll send out the marked up chart. And then whenever it hits TPs, you know, you'll get an alert showing that it hit TPs. Got about 8 minutes and 40 seconds left on this candle. Right now as it stands, like I have my runner, and like it's just the runner from after it hit TP1. You know, at TP2 you can take additional partials, close, like whatever you want to do. I didn't close additional partials at TP2, but you can definitely do that. 100%. Because I ended up closing like 90% at TP1. I was just trying to secure profits. Yeah, I ended up closing like 2,900, almost 3 grand. Almost 3 grand for the initial profits. So yeah, we will be live for New York with VIP, New York session. Yesterday, I was feeling really crappy. I ended up just opting for sleep. Did not get in there. How much is a VIP? I think there's like 1 spot left for the lifetime promo. The lifetime promo is, I mean, the name says it for itself. It's just one payment and you're in for life. But usually the price for VIP is $150 a month. But the lifetime promo is $350. So I think mostly everybody already took up the spots in there. I think there's one spot left. If it doesn't let you anymore, it's because all the spots are filled. Sorry. I just opened it up for 5 people. That's 5 people asked me for it. Yep. Yeah, he says, don't buy VIP, watch history video, winning rate, he lose a lot. This guy is upset. You're mad because we won today? There's always gonna be that one. It's all good, man. It's all good. He was the liquidity. Right. That's funny. Sorry. Thing opened up over here. Got a whole window open. I think that's the same dude that comes on every day to. I find it flattering that they really dislike my streams, but they come on every day to let me know that. I appreciate it. I should start monetizing the stream so I can make money off the haters. Really give them something to be upset about. Orange for the haters. I only have a free Telegram group, and I have the VIP Telegram group. The VIP Telegram group is the one where I send out all the info, and then it also has a chat room for like everyone that's in the VIP. You guys can chat. You can ask questions in there, and I see that, and I can send out messages and stuff. You know. There's like 3 minutes left on this candle. Remember, guys, if this closes bearish, I'll probably close out my trade with the little profits that it has, just because like the indication of the previous candle price action is telling me price exhaustion, potential reversal, rejection, and then if we get the confirmation of bearish, then maybe we're gonna start moving down. Right? We got 2.5 minutes, so just be aware of that. Gold ended up pushing down, never came up. Oh, this is honestly is probably coming down as like a pullback from this break. Just retesting before it pulls up. Watch. Bet you anything it's gonna come into this area here. But I might even take a buy if I can get some bullish confirmation. At a minute 50. If I can get some bullish confirmation in this area, I might even just take a buy right here. See. We'll see. Ooh, so we got about 50 seconds. Watch this price action. Got about 50 seconds left on this candle. So there was this girl that messaged me on my social media, and I mean, she was a very gorgeous, attractive woman, but I think she was like fishing for compliments, and she asked me to like rate her on a scale of 1 to 10, and I said she was a 7 out of 10, and then she blocked me. She like blocked me, and I was laughing because like that's just funny to me. I just think that she was like really thinking I was gonna be like, oh, you're an absolute 10 and you're all this and that, and I think I might have humbled her a little bit. She's some YouTuber trying to make a video, maybe. Like, whatever. I don't really care for it. I think it was hilarious. How long have you been streaming on YouTube? Oh, for like 3 years. Yeah, you can go back, look at my videos. They're all there. Humble her. Yeah. It's exactly what I did. Look, man, this thing closed bearish, man. I'm gonna go ahead and close my remaining profits, guys. You can see on the screen, I'm gonna go ahead and close that out, take my remaining profits, just closing it out. It could go back up. I mean, it's pushing up, but I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna take the profits on the table and just be okay with that. Don't be greedy. Thank the markets. Come back and do it again tomorrow. That out. Yeah, I mean, look at that. She's flying. And she's gonna fly to TP3. Let's see what this looks on the 5 minute. Damn. I took my profits down here. And she pumped up. It's all good. This thing ended up running 27 pips in profit. Could push up higher. I've already closed out complete positions, like all position on that. Took my profits on that. Thank the markets. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I don't think we'll see another significant move here, just because usually we get one move for the opening session. Any other move you might end up getting stuck in it for a while. And like I said, I'm scalping. I'm not looking to take an intraday or a swing trade, you know. So I feel like at the end of the day, we really have to like be conscious of that, right? Like I'm not trying to get stuck into a trade that's gonna roll over into New York session or anything like that. Gold looks really interesting because look at this. We see this particular price movement right here. Kind of like a bullish flag. And I definitely 100% love patterns, guys. Like I just, right? But here's the thing, even with the bullish flag, I think that it may still need to come down to retest this trend line before it breaks out higher, right? So what I would be paying attention to is really just the breaks here of the trend line. See, if it's ready to bust out, then it would be doing it around here. If not, then it may come down lower, right? Never know, never know. But it is showing that bullish signs that I was saying I wanted to see right here at this area, right? See, it's creating the level of support. Remember I told you guys it could be a break and a retest here. Looking at the 5 minute, I mean, it looks really nice, especially this 5 minute candle looks like a bullish engulfing. And you know what, I think I kind of want to take this trade. Looking juicy. About a 18 pip stop. About 10 seconds there. Oof. Only if we get it to be bullish engulfing. Only if we get it to be bullish engulfing, which it is. I'm gonna go ahead and take a buy, guys, on gold. You're gonna buy on gold. About a 20 pip stop. 20 pip stop. Pip stop. I am gonna buy on gold. I am gonna buy on gold. I am gonna buy on gold. I am in a buy on gold. Gotta say it a few times, man, because you guys be like, did you buy or did you sell? It's an 18 pip stop. 18 pips to TP1, and that's gonna be 19.99 500 for TP1. She's racing up to TP1, guys. Racing up to TP1. Nice. We're in profits, guys. We're in profits. She's flying to TP1. Remember what we do at TP1, fam. Remember what we do at TP1. TP2 is going to be 2001 300. 2 is. Got a double header today, baby. Double header today. Let's go, baby. Who's in this trade with me? 1,003 at 100. Who's in the trade with me? Oh, she's pulling back. Come on, baby. Go ahead, push up. Don't be scared. She was like less than a pip away, man. Y'all see that? Less than a pip away. Was less than a pip away. Pablo, stop licking me. Oof, what a wick. It's all good. I like the wick to the downside. Broke highs here. Price action still looks good. Price action still looks good, baby. This is our second trade of the day, guys. We won our first one. We're up about 11-12 pips on this one. Looking juicy. Looking juicy. I'm crushing with you, bro. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. Enjoy them profits. Still looking good. Look at the 15. We got about 5 minutes left on that. It's bullish engulfing, breaking highs. Man, this is a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. I would have probably already closed partials here. I mean, that's less than a pip to TP1. But yeah, I was too busy typing out everything for you guys. So I didn't get to do that. But it's all good. It's all good, baby. It's all good. Appreciate the love, guys. Thanks for liking the stream. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for sharing the stream. Much love, much love. I've been trading since 2014. This is on the 5 minute. I jumped down on the 5 minute to show the break and retest. The reason why I was entering here, because this was before the breakout. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was looking at. This break and the retest here. This bullish engulfing is the reason why I entered. Yeah, so even if you look at it on the 15, I mean, it looks really nice. Look at the price action here. Push up, came back, created support, pushed up, bullish engulfing, wick breaking highs. I mean, textbook. That's textbook, baby. Textbook. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. B. keep on keeping on. Push, push. We got about 2 minutes and 40 seconds left on this candle. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Come on, baby, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. We don't have any news that I know about, so be fine. No news till 7:30. Best news down here. Should be good. Should be good. What happens here? Alright, she's pulling back a bit. Pulling back a bit. Got about 1:45 seconds. Watching this, just watching this. Come on, baby. Pull up, minute and a half. Minute and a half. Just watching this at this point, guys. Just managing this trade. This is our second trade of the day. We already took a nice win on GJ. This is gold. Just monitoring, managing the active trade. We are in a little bit of profit here, about 5 pips. For me, I'm okay with this wick to the downside, but I would really like to see, at the bare minimum, this body closing within the body. But what would be nice is if we see it closing bullish, right? Got about 50 seconds left. 50 seconds. See what we see. How long did it take you to learn? I've been trading since 2014. The first 2 years were a bit of a rough patch, but on the second year is kind of when I started getting things together. But that is irrelevant, to be honest. I mean, people have picked it up a lot faster, you know. Oh, baby. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Okay, so we got a bearish candle but closing inside of the previous bullish candle. Still okay with that from a price action standpoint. Still okay with that. Come on, baby, push, push, push. Let's get the TP1. Get it for the fan. Let's get it for the fan. The lifetime promo, I think there's only like 1 spot left, guys. If it's not working, then all the spots are filled. You can do the monthly membership. The lifetime, I only opened up 5 spots. Pablo, stop licking me. Fuck. My dog is over here licking my leg. Is trading your only income? It's my primary income. I have 8 different businesses. I was a business owner. I had my own company when I started trading, and my company was making 6 figures. So, but that was the first company that I had. Like with trading, I've been able to support, opening it up and following my passions and opening up other business adventures. Those business ventures, like everything is in things that I enjoy doing. Pushing down back into our entry. Not what I want to see. Not what I want to. Because this could have been a rejection of the high. Come down. Yeah. Come on, baby, pull up. Pull up, pull up. Come on, baby. He's breaking lows at this point. Got about 12 minutes and 20 seconds on this 15-minute candle. Oh, she's going for our stops, huh? What you gonna do? That's what you're gonna do? Oh. She's out here, but I'm still in on my... Wow. I'm actually still in on my MetaTrader. Gonna pop out. Yeah, hit my stop. Stopped on the second chance trade on gold. We won one and we lost one. 1 and 1. That's how it goes sometimes, ladies and gents. We were like 1 pip away. I should have taken my partials there. That's kind of what happens. This is some of the things that you learn, right? Like you're in the trade, you see that it was like 1 pip away. Should have taken that. Like spending my time writing this out for you guys, and I missed that. And then by the time I look at it, it's already lower, so I hold it. But that should have been it right there. Should have been it. But all good. Part of the game. I'm happy that I won one, and you know, I kept my stops where I had my potential for where I was okay for my losses, right, for my risk management. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna call it there. I'm not gonna take a third trade. I'm not gonna test my luck. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off. If you're in my VIP, I will be live at 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for New York session with my VIP. Other than that, tomorrow, what is today? Wednesday? Thursday, I'm not doing a London live, so I won't be live with London till probably next week. I'll announce my schedule for next week on Sunday. I'll send it out, make a post with the schedule. Other than that, guys, much love. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Live trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.